guys do that shit. Record each other throwing up, getting ran over.
All better?
No, it's got one more to go. It's okay.
He's looking all straight up. I'm gonna do it.
I feel sick, man. You know what it's like right before the throw up comes up? Are you still recording this? Jackie! Yeah, Frodo's throwing up again. No, don't you lick that.
Eat it. Mmm, tasty. What is that, cat food? Looks like a sausage.
You know how
Frodo.
in one throw
Frodo.
session he does it once?
All better.